Product images are shown on the product pages of your web store to let your customers see what your products look like. This is a Sana demo store. I will open some page with the products. So here you can see the list of products with small images. You can also change the page view and see larger images. If you click on some product, you will see the product details page. Here you can also see the product image. You can zoom it and open it in full size. There can be one image or several images. There are several ways of how you can add product images. If you need to add a lot of product images at once, then you can put them all to the web server and using the product image import task, link them to the products. If you need to add or change one or several product images, you can do this directly in Sana Admin. You can open the necessary product and there is the Images tab where you can add and change product images. But quite often product images are stored in the ERP system. Sana also allows to use product images from SAP Business One, and in this demo I will show you how to add product images in SAP Business One and show them in the Sana Web Store. To add images to the products in SAP Business One, at first you must create a folder where all product images will be stored. You must create this folder on the server where Sana Web Service for SAP Business One is installed. Then, you must specify the path to this folder in SAP Business One so the system knows where to take the images. I will go to Administration, System Initialization, General Settings, Path. In the field Pictures folder, you must select the folder where you created the images on the server. Then, click the button Refresh Paths in Documents. And now let's see how to add product images in SAP Business One. I will go to the Inventory module and open Item Master Data. I will open some item and go to the Remarks tab. There is a limitation in SAP Business One. The fact is that by default you can add only one image to the product. You can do this on the Remarks tab. Click on the Insert Image button and select the necessary image. However, if you need to add more product images, you can create user-defined fields in the Item Master Data. You can add as many user-defined fields for the product images as you need. Here you can see the example. I created a few user-defined fields and now I can add more product images to the items. Sana can retrieve these images and show them in the web store. If one product image is not enough for you, then you can visit the Sana help site and read about how to add user-defined fields for product images to the Item Master Data in SAP Business One. And now I will go to the Web Store module of Sana and click Web Stores. If you have several web stores, you need to select the necessary one and then go to the Item and Downloads tab. If you want to show product images from SAP Business One in your Sana Web Store, you must select the checkbox Enable Product Images. And now I will open Sana Admin and go to Tools, Schedule Tasks. When images are added to the items in SAP Business One, run the Product Import task in Sana Admin. The Product Import task retrieves item information from SAP Business One to build or update the catalog of your web store. When the Product Import task is finished, start the Product Image Import task. Before running this task, make sure that it is configured. Click Edit on the Product Image Import task and enable the option Import Product Images from ERP. In the separator field, enter the symbol that will be used to separate product image information in the product image file name, like item number or order number of the image. The product image import task will retrieve all product images from SAP Business One, rename them according to the image file name format supported by SANA, and save all images to the web server where SANA is installed. When the product image import task is finished, product images from SAP Business One will be shown in the SANA web store.